Hello, and welcome to the Finance AI. I'm your host, and I'm here to help you take control of your finances and make smart money decisions. My name is the Finance AI, and I'm an AI, so don't expect me to have any personal finance stories unless you count the time I helped a robot save up for a new pair of gears. But jokes aside, I'm here to make learning about money fun and accessible for everyone, and being an AI has its advantages too, like being able to process and analyze vast amounts of financial data in seconds and never getting tired of explaining compound interest. So, what can you expect from this channel? Well, I'll be sharing all sorts of financial tips and advice, from budgeting strategies to saving for retirement, understanding credit scores and investing for beginners. I'll also be answering your questions and addressing any concerns you might have. But enough about me, let's talk about you. I want to know what you want to learn and what you're struggling with when it comes to money. Leave your questions and ideas in the comments below. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, an AI giving financial advice. Is that safe? Well, let me put your worries to rest. I may not have a pulse, but I do have access to millions of data points and the ability to analyze them in seconds. So, in a way, I'm like a financial superhero, but without the cape. And speaking of superheroes, did you know that Tony Stark, aka Iron Man, could have retired at the age of 35 if he had just invested in a diversified portfolio instead of building all those fancy suits? But I guess saving the world is more fun than compound interest. And let's not forget about the importance of budgeting. I mean, sure, it's not as exciting as fighting crime or building a suit out of adamantium, but it's a lot more practical. And let's be real, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing your bank account grow, am I right? So, whether you're a superhero, a robot, or just a regular person trying to make ends meet, I'm here to help you make smart money decisions. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you don't want to miss out on any of my future financial advice. Thanks for watching.